I'm going to show you how to create your first API calls or requests in Postman. Okay, so I'm now in Postman and I do have a workspace called project, and I have one collection called Cisco SD-WAN APIs. So the first step is to create the requests. So I got some notes here, and I'm going to create two requests. One is login and the other one is get devices. So let me create the login request. Okay, so click my collection, the plus button, and yeah, so it already created a new request. So I'm going to rename it to login anywhere in this space, open space. And then I'm going to select post because I'm going to log in. And then I'm going to copy and paste this URL here, paste it in here. And I'm going to select this option in the body part or section. And I'm going to put in the username or the key and the value, which is this, and the password and the value or the actual password. And I'm going to save the request that I have just created. Save. I can close it. Then I can check it here. And now I can click send. So we get a 200 response, 200 OK response. So our request is successful. Okay, so the second request that I'm going to create is get devices. So this is how we get the list of devices or SD-WAN devices from this server. Okay, so I'm going to click the add button and then new request, rename it to get devices, and then going to select the get method, and I'm going to copy and paste this URL. This is the endpoint where you can retrieve the list of devices. And I'm going to click save. And Postman automatically includes the JSession ID cookie from the login request. So if I run this request, Postman should be able to retrieve or log into the devices and retrieve the list of devices because Postman automatically includes the JSession ID cookie from the login request that we just did earlier. Okay, so I'm going to click send. Now we see that we get a 200 OK response. Okay, so that's how to create your first API calls in Postman. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.